We're unboxing our 2 new wild pythons. I don't like narrating. You narrate.
We have a pewter
female and a high white piebald male.
Yeah.
Hopefully they're in a good mood. They're probably like, what the fuck is going on here? Oops.
Get close up of that. That's a crash right there. Yeah.
Here's the pewter. Oh, she's small.
Oh, the piebal's small too.
Okay, they're both young.
Oh yeah, they're both juveniles.
One at a time, one at a time. This is the pewter first.
It's hard to see you.
Stop trying to look.
Hi, baby.
Did she just shed in there?
I guess so.
Just off my bed, please.
Okay, piebald.
That's very pretty.
Wait, what am I?
Oh, well then. You do all the other ones.
She's very pretty. I'm happy, a young pied. Ready for
Yeah.
the unveiling?
Oh,
wow.
Ta-da!
Oh wow. That is just that is pissed off. It was pissed off. That is a gorgeous snake. Oh man, they're small.